Welcome everybody. My name is Tobi, and I'm very happy that so many people join my webinar about our viewneo enterprise solution today. And today I would like to show you our enterprise solution, what kind of use cases an enterprise user can have. I would like to show you some features, and today Pascal, my colleague, is in the chat during the whole webinar. So in case you have any kind of questions, you can ask directly in the chat. And also after my webinar, I will be available for all upcoming questions, so I will answer it directly. And if you have not the answer in hand, for sure we will keep you informed afterwards by email. And also after the webinar, you will get an email with all information about the webinar, about the enterprise solution. You will get again an overview on pricing, and so you will get all information afterwards. And now I would like to start with sharing my screen. And today about the webinar. Today I would like to show you the main use cases of the enterprise solution, what kind of benefits an enterprise user will get, and also the main features of the white labeling and of the enterprise solution. I will teach you about our white label option. Afterwards I would like to go into the live demonstration and show you the content management system. Finally, I will tell you the pricing, and again afterwards you will get I will have space for your upcoming questions. So first of all, the enterprise edition was made for partners and resellers. The first use case is, for example, I would like to say a standard reseller who would like to set up their own business, e.g. For example, by using the white label option to get their own brand, or in the viewneo brand. So with the enterprise solution you can set up clients accounts directly for your clients. You can set up the licenses for the devices for your clients by yourself. So everything can be done from the enterprise partner. So the enterprise partner will have a ready-to-use solution and can set up an own business. Another use case can be, for example, within a franchise company with many franchisees. Then within the enterprise solution, for example, the headquarter can set up content and share it with the franchisees, and also can set up playlists which should be used from the franchisees, so that the franchisees just need to use the playlist and the contents and can manage their displays. So what kind of benefits you will get if you have an enterprise solution from viewneo? Well, first of all, you will get a ready-to-use solution. That means that you don't need any kind of developers or designers. So that means that you will have less investments. And also the whole enterprise solution is very easy and convenient. The enterprise partner can select a white labeling solution. I will show you later in the live demonstration. And we are offering individual packages. And the best part is also regarding the pricing, that we are offering competitive prices, so that also the partner who's using the enterprise solution is competitive on the market. So some words about the main features, about the managing tool of the enterprise solution. First of all the accounts for the clients can be set up and create from the enterprise partner directly. The enterprise partner can manage the amount of licenses for each client's account. the enterprise partner is able to share playlists and content with the client's accounts, and also the client's accounts can be sorted into groups. So for example, if you have more than two business, like you have a case with restaurants and a case with hotels, then you can share content or playlist with a group of hotels, for example. So what does it mean to get a white label solution from viewneo? Well, first of all, the whole content management system will be branded into your own design, and I will show you how you can set it up later in the live demonstration. Next, you will get also your own web URL, so that your clients can log in, for example, on your website. And also the whole email communication between the enterprise account and the clients will be branded. For example, if you set up a new account, your client will get an email for verification, and also this email will be branded directly into your brand design. And finally, you will get hardware, including the application from us, also white labeled without any kind of logo from viewneo. And if you like, we can also do custom hardware. It depends later on the quantities. So now I would like to switch into the live demonstration to show you the main features of the content management system, how you use the white labeling option, how to manage the accounts for your clients, and also how to create groups of your clients' accounts. So therefore, as you can see, the URL is already branded. It's called CyberSign My Account. Currently it's branded in viewneo, but I will show you how you can change it. So after you logged in into your enterprise account, first of all, you will get directly into the dashboard. This is the main managing tool for setting up accounts and select the amounts of licenses for your clients' accounts. Here you can label the accounts and so on. So the first point is the user management. Here you can create very simple new accounts with a button create account. Normally you will type in the name of the company. So now I will call it, for example, Hotel 1. And then you need to type in the email address of the super user of this account. And afterwards you need to select the amount of licenses. The licenses are concerning to the devices. That means, for example, your client will have 2 devices in the hotel. Then you will need, your client will need 2 licenses to manage these 2 devices. So here, as an enterprise user, you can select the amount. And then you can select the storage of the cloud space for your client. So that means your client can upload up to 250 gigabytes content, like videos, like pictures and so on. And here you have the option to label the account. For example, this account should be within a group of hotel. Then you can mark it here with a hotel. So then you just need to save it, and the account is created. Your client with the email address will now get an email for verification. He needs to verify the link, and then he can start directly work in their own account. I will show you later how the email looks like by changing the white labeling. So some more words here about the user management. So if you have hundreds or many accounts, you can have a quick search here on the name of the account, or you can select the label. Then all these accounts with the label hotel will be shown here. And also, you as an enterprise user can edit at any time the account. For example, the storage, or you can change the labels. You have an overview about the users which are inside the account. You can select the amount of licenses at any time. You can add or delete licenses. And finally, you can activate plugins. Plugins, I will tell you some words about the plugins later. So from this point here, we are ready with editing the account. You can log into the client's account directly. You can lock or unlock the account in case the client doesn't pay or something like that, or you can simply delete the whole account. So now I would like to go to the white label option. All these settings you can do by yourself. So first of all, you would like to change the viewneo logo with your own logo. So you just need to upload your logo right here. I will select my CyberSign logo. Then the logo will be uploaded and changed directly right here. So then you can select the product name. Instead of viewneo, it's CyberSign. Also, you can change the email address. Again, this is the email. For example, if you create a new account, your client will get the email from this address. So I will call it contact@cybersign.com. And also the display name of the email should be in your brand name, also CyberSign. So finally, you can change the colors also according to your brand. So you can select the colors for the header, for the sidebar, the highlight color, and finally the link color. So everything you can select here according to your needs and select your brand colors. So I will select the predefined coffee one because now it's faster. And if you're satisfied with all these settings here, you just need to save it. And then the whole content management system for you as an enterprise user and also all the client's account will be changed accordingly. So I will show you now later if you logged into a client's account that all these settings are also of your client's accounts directly be changed. So now I would like to go back to the user management. Now I have my white label with my own brand. Now I create a new account. I call it hotel number 2. So then I just need to type in the email address of the super user. It's hotel 2. And then I need to select the amount of licenses. So this account will get 2 licenses with 250 gigabytes and the label hotel. I just need to save it. And now the client will get an email for verification. I can check in my email. So here you can see right now that I get an email from CyberSign support. As you can see, also the email is branded with CyberSign. And now I'm the client, I just need to verify the link. And finally the client just need to enter a password. And then your client can directly manage their own account, which is provided from you. And as you can see, the difference between the enterprise account and the professional account for your client is simply that they have no option of a dashboard or any kind of help desk from viewneo. They simply have the media libraries, playlists and devices. I will show you later in the enterprise account. And from this point, your client can work directly and manage their own digital signage system. So now I log back into my dashboard. And now I would like to go into the first point. This is the user management of your enterprise account. It's very simple. You as a super user can add very simple with clicking on the plus symbol new users, which also can manage your dashboard. You just need to type in an email address and you can select the language right here. And also you can select different permissions for the user. For example, this user can only work with the devices or with the playlists. Here you can add unlimited users. It doesn't matter the number of users which you can enter right here. So the second point I would like to show you is our media library. This will also have your client's accounts, but you as an enterprise user will have more settings. For example, if you would like to share content, then you can upload all your contents right here. You can work as on a desktop, you can create new folders, You can add websites, you can add many social media feeds, or also we are offering weather feeds. These feeds here, for example, are our plugins. I will tell you some more about the plugins and the cost later. But the main feature here as an enterprise user is, for example, if you have videos you would like to share with your client's account, you can send it to one specific account only, or you can share all these videos with your client's account. And as you can see now, the whole folder is marked with a star. That means that this folder is shared with your client's account. The free content and the news are marked also with a star, but this means that we from viewneo are offering this content for the enterprise user. If you would like also to share these content with your clients, then you just need to create a new folder and copy this content, and then you can share it with your clients. So what else? Well, we have a template designer where you can set up your own content if you like. And we have a connection to Pixabay. For example, if you need some pictures or videos, you can search for a specific content. And if you would like to have this picture, for example, you can add it into your media library, and later you can use it, for example, in your templates, or you can put it directly into your playlists. So the next point is directly our playlists. It's very simple also right here. First of all, you can create a new playlist with a plus symbol. Then you select the name for the playlist. I will call it Hotel, for example. And as you can see on the right side, you will have your media library again with all your contents. And from that point, you can drag and drop your content into your playlist to set up your own new playlist. I would like to put in more videos. Save it, and if you create your playlist, then you just need to save it right here. And you also can select each content separately, for example, to set the display duration time, or you can schedule the content according to a time schedule. You can select the start date and the end date, and also the start date, time and end time, and also which weekday you want to play the content. More than this, you can put playlist into another. This is a good feature, for example, if you have an advertising playlist which is changing like every day, for example, and the main playlist is running all the time. So you just need to change the advertising playlist, and all the content will be changed according in your main playlist. And some more features you will have as an enterprise user is that you can share also the whole playlist, for example, with all accounts, or you can select single accounts, for example, the name of the account, or you can select a group of your accounts. For example, this is my hotel playlist, and now I would like to share this playlist with my hotel clients. Then I can select the label hotel. I edit this account right here, and then I just need to save it. And as you can see, the hotel playlist is also marked, so that means that you shared this playlist. What else you can do is to have a better overview, is that you can set a label, so you can mark your playlist with colors. So I will select a green one, and now, for example, if you will have 2, 3 or more playlists from the hotel, you can mark each playlist a green, then you will have a better overview on this, or you can simply search for playlists right here. So then we come to our devices. Our devices are always in groups, so that means that you first of all need to add a new device group by clicking on the plus symbol. So this group is also called hotel, and then you can select the playlist also hotel we created before, Here you have more settings, like the time zone. You can select the rotation. You can select an alarm. For example, if you have a touchscreen or tablet anywhere in the customer area and somebody is going to steal the tablet, then they will ring an alarm. And here you can select the update interval. The maximum is 1 minute. That means that our player, which are connected to the screens in the final location, will check every minute if there are new contents or any new updates. And if there are new contents, for example, in the playlist, the player will download the new content automatically in the background. And once the playlist is fully downloaded, the player will play the new contents. So more than this, you can select the volume. For example, if you have videos in your playlists, you can select the screen scale. And also we are offering interaction. So that means if you have a touchscreen monitor, you can select the interaction right here. Then you just need to select a website which you entered before in your media library. So that means the playlist is running on the touch screen, and if the end client comes in front of the screen and touches the screen, the website will appear and the client can interact on this website. And after 30 seconds in this case, if nobody is touching anything, the playlist will start again playing. So then you just need to save the group. Sorry, I have no interaction screen right now, so I just need to save the group, and from this point I can add the devices. So we are delivering our viewneo 4K signage box or the new viewneo signage stick. Both players will be connected with the HDMI of the screen and connected to the internet. Then you will get an activation key displayed on the screen. This activation key you have to enter here, and you have to select the name, and also you can select the playlist for each single device. So you have the option to select the playlist for the whole group. So for example, if you have 10 devices with the same playlist, you can put all these 10 devices into the group and select the playlist for the whole group. But you also can select playlists for each single device. So I already added a device before my webinar. As you can see, this device is called Office. In the device group webinar, I select the webinar playlist. This device is now highlighted with green. That indicates that the player is online. In case you do any changes like put new contents in the playlist, it will indicate it yellow. That means that the players are updating. In case that the devices here is highlighted red, that means that the player is offline and we have to make a research for the reason. So well, you will get all these settings again for each single device. For example, if you have 10 devices in the group and one of the devices should play the same playlist but is interactive, for example, then you can select this device should be allow interaction. So then you will have information about the system, about the network. You can see the activation date and also the last heartbeat and the last updates. More than this, you can select the timer for the device. So that means that you can select a display timer when the device should go on and off. For example, if you have a retail shop or something like that and you would like to show the advertisings also after hours, after closing hours. So you can say, okay, this device should run until 10 o'clock in the evening and should go off automatically and on in the morning at 7. So you don't have to do it in front of the screen manually. So at last we have the live ticker option. So you can select the live ticker for the whole group or also for each single device. And here you have the option to add the live ticker on the bottom or on the top of the screen. You can select if it's scrolling from right to left or from left to right. You can select the text color and the background color, or you can just simply add an RSS feed from the web. So, and all these settings are nearly the same which will your clients have, and also your clients will not see the API, the plugins, and the help desk from Viewneo in case you're using the Viewneo brand. So, finally, some words about our API. You can use our API to connect any kinds of third-party software. Um, so, for example, if you have a cashier system and you would like to connect it with Viewneo, then you can use our documentation, and then you can connect your software or any existing software with our content management system. So then, now we are coming to our plugins. We have different plugins, for example, the weather plugin, or interaction, or some social media like Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, and Instagram. And as you can see here, the prices are different. For example, for Facebook, the price is $50 or euros, it's always the same. It's a one-time fee for each account. So that means, for example, you have a client's account and your client is requesting, hey, I would like to have a Facebook feed. Then you can purchase the plugin directly into our shop. You as an enterprise user will get an email with the activation key, and then you can go to your client's account and activate the plugin right here for your client. So finally, again, you as an enterprise user will have our help desk to find helpful information, or in case you have any questions or something like that, you can visit our help desk. And now I would like to go back into my presentation, and would like go directly into our pricing system. So again, the licenses are concerning to the devices. That means that each device or each screen you would like to manage need a device or a player from Viewneo, and for each player you will need a licensee. And the enterprise solution starts with 100 licensees, with a price of starting from $3.5 per month. So in total, you will have, by starting with 100 licensees, an amount of about $400 per month. You will get 10 professional accounts included. That means you can set up to 10 professional accounts for free. And if you need more than 10 accounts, then each additional account will cost $3 per month. And now the most important thing is also the white label costs. It's a one-time fee of $6,000. Then you will have the white labeling lifetime. Yes, this is a fee for our white labeling, just a one-time fee. And now I would like to show you our hardware pricing. So if you go with the enterprise solution and use the Viewneo brand, you will get the 4K signage box, each for 130, and the stick number 2, which will be released very soon, will cost 100 per piece. So if you go with the white labeling, you will get also our hardware non-branded, and the pricing are different from the Viewneo brand. For the 4K signage box, it's 150, and for the sticks, it's $120. And also we can deliver custom box and the custom stick. That means that you will get the whole packaging and the hardware branded with your design. But this is only on demand available. It depends on the quantities finally. So here's an example of our pricing system. I select an example from our current client, who has 250 licensees. The price is $4 per piece. So he pays at the moment $1,000 per per month for 250 licensees. He has 25 professional accounts included, so minus 10 accounts which are for free. So he pays 15 in addition for a total amount of $45 per month. He selected the white labeling and he paid 6,000 one time. And currently he has 25 white label sticks for a total amount of $3,000. So again, I would like to tell you, you don't have to write down anything because you will get this whole information again by email after my webinar. And so you can have a review on all this stuff right here. Now I'm finished with my webinar today, and now I'm changing to the camera so that you can see me again. So first I would like to say thank you that you joined my webinar, and hope that you get many interesting stuff. And now I would like to answer your remaining questions. So I would like to check out the live chat. So as I can see, my colleague Pascal was typing already. So now you have the chance to write down your question, and I would wait for your text message and then I can answer it. Okay, well, so far there are no questions, so this is maybe a good sign for me that I did a good presentation. But again, everybody will get an email from me personally with my contact details. So there's a question. Do you have resellers in USA? Yes, we do have several resellers already in the USA. But of course, you are also welcome to get the status of a reseller in the USA. Okay, so I think I will wait another of seconds. Okay, well, again, so you will get all this information, all this stuff again by email. You will get my personal contact details so that you can send me at any time an email with your questions, or in case you need a personal demonstration on the Enterprise edition according your use cases, so we can discuss on that, we can talk on that, we can have a discussion on pricings. You're always welcome to contact me, and I'm here for you to support you. So today is our last webinar before we have our summer break. So thank you again for joining my webinar, and I wish you a good time, good summertime, and I hope to see you again in my upcoming webinars. We will keep you informed early. So we will also have webinars about other features and not only about the enterprise solution. So keep your eyes open and hope to see you again in the near future. Bye bye.